good morning. Yesterday it was holiday and you might have had a good time, and today let's make it better by learning something new, and tomorrow let's hope for the best. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic, degrees of comparison. Students, what are the adjectives I use to describe the days? Good, better and best. So when we talk about a single object or single person, we use good. When I said about yesterday, it was a single day, so I said it was good. And when I started comparing 2 days, that is today and yesterday, so the comparative form of good is better. And when I started talking about the third day event, that is tomorrow, I said it should be best. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so these adjectives, these degrees of comparison are used to describe the quality of a person or a thing or day or anything. So I just said about I described the days. So when we talk about the persons, if we talk about a single person like this boy, okay, he is tall and looking good even. But when I start comparing this boy with that of another one, so I just tell, then this boy, he is tall when compared to the height. Okay, so this boy, this one is taller. Okay, this one is taller than this boy. Okay, so I use the adjective tall to compare these two boys. So the second one, he is taller than the first one. Okay, so when we talk about two things, we start comparing them. If the comparison is between more than two people or two things, if the comparison is among more than two people, then how would you compare? What is the adjectival form? What degree we use to compare? So we add est. What is that? We add est. Okay, we add est to the adjective. For example, you see this girl, she has a broad smile and she is looking happy. Then this girl, she is laughing. Okay, so she is happier than this girl. And when the third girl, she is even jumping, so this girl is the happiest girl. So when comparison is among three people or more than two people, then we use the superlative form by adding est. If it is the comparative form, we add er. Okay, we add er to the adjective. Happy, happier, the happiest. And here you see the mushrooms, good, better, best. And here useful, more useful, and if it is a tablet, it is the most useful. And anger, the youngest. Okay, the third form, superlative form we tell. When we add er to that, it becomes the comparative form, and est, superlative form. And here the cherries are sweet and banana sweeter, and if it is a cake, the sweetest. Okay, hot, if it is cooked, it's hot, and the candle, it is hotter than that cooked food, and sun, the hottest. Okay, and here are some more adjectives. Let us see. When we take a tall plant, we feel it is tall, and when it comes to giraffe, it is taller than, and if it is an apartment, it is the tallest. Okay, and similarly fat, fatter, fattest. Okay, low, lower and lowest. Yes, large house and larger house, and the largest. When it comes to any palace, it is the largest one. Car, fast, it moves fast. Fast is adverb. Okay, fast, faster and fastest. When it comes to a rocket or a spaceship, it goes the fastest one. Okay, and here are some more. And how to the spellings of these adjectives, there is a spelling variation even. Let us see some adjectives that end in e, drop the e and take er at est. So wise, wiser, you need not add that last e, we dropped that e and we just added er, wisest. Okay, and adjectives that end in y and the before word, if it is a consonant, see here y, and the before letter p is consonant, so it becomes, the y changes to I, and then we add er to that. Okay, happier, happiest. So y before word if it is a consonant, we use that y changes to I and we add er, so iest, superlative form iest. Okay, and now we double the last letter of some adjectives. Before adding er or est. So big, G, the before word is I, that is oval. So we double G. So big, bigger, biggest. Okay, and if the words are a bit big, that is two syllable words. So delicious, del, one syllable. Okay, ic another one, and ious another one. So more than two syllables and more than two syllabic words, then we add more to the comparative form and most to the superlative form. So simply we can tell the words which are a bit big, that is more than one syllable, then we add more and most. And then the last one, you see, some adjectives have completely different positive, just like different positives, different comparative and superlative, like good, better, best, and bad, worst, and little, less, least. So such, they are completely different in form, so you have to notice the spelling even while writing the positive, comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives. Okay, so we use adjectives to describe, and when we talk about the quality and start comparing the things, we use degrees of comparison. Okay, so that is the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. When we compare things, when the comparison is between two people or two things, we add er to the adjective. Okay, and when the comparison is among three people or more than two people or two things, then we use the superlative form. Yes, I hope it is clear. And here are some more adjectives. Yes, comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. Just go through these adjectives even. Okay, now thank you for now, students. Okay, complete the workbook exercises even. Thank you.